the landing at the top of the stairs. It's quite large. I don't know. 10 by 12 maybe. And then along here, we have, it's quite messy. I did not clean up for you guys. Up here, we have 5 bedrooms. Whatever. Framed in. So then over here will be another bedroom and bathroom. And then the rest of this will be the common area, which I'll explain. So the common area for us will be living room, dining room, craft area, and a small kitchen area. The small kitchen area will be like a regular size stove, refrigerator, tea and coffee bar, that sort of thing. Because up here, the food that we'll make will be like popcorn or teas, coffees, ice cream, stuff of that would typically be maybe in a garage fridge or that kind of idea. But it's going to be up here because our main commercial kitchen style will be downstairs. So the bulk, and there'll be a sink up here too. But the bulk majority of kitchen will not be up here. It'll just be enough so that you want an ice drink or popcorn or a cup of tea, you don't have to go down there. So this side will be 5 bedrooms, and then a 6th will be over here, as I said, and a bathroom will be over here. We'll probably have a go out the back door over here, the stairs to go down, and then a door out the front as well. We're thinking double doors, one set here and one set downstairs. For sure downstairs, not 100% sure upstairs. So we're going to be moving in up here fairly soon. Our friend is here and he's helping us get some trenching done for water lines for the animals. A couple weeks ago he was here and we got the mini split put in, which I'll show you. And then also he's working on electric downstairs. If there's time, he'll do electric upstairs too. Mostly outlets. So our goal for moving in up here, like I said, it will be done. The upstairs will not be done when we move in. We want a little bit more electricity. We want sheeting on the walls. I hate drywall completely. So what we're going to do is like current plan. Do some thin sheeting and then use some milled wood from our land and have wooden walls. So we want to get at least the sheeting up so that rooms are actually rooms. And then we want to put in some insulation, which you saw some. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 piles of insulation. And what else? Windows. So we're going to put a window in each bedroom except the end one. I think we'll get 2. And then the rest of the windows up here, we at least want a portion of the windows put in before we move in. At least the bedroom ones. And also we need a soapery that's separate, and we need office space that's separate. So the cabins will become that. Some of the wood that Patrick and Malachi have been milling. And then I'll show you, I actually did this video yesterday and I had the light behind me, so I was like a black blob. So I'm reshooting this part. And then I say that because my shirt's going to change. So we'll go downstairs to yesterday's video and I'll show you what we're doing for electric, which is not interesting necessarily, but showing you nonetheless. I think that's it, but I'll show you those 2 things and I'll talk to you later. Bye. So this is some of the wood. I think this is pecan. It's about 8 to 10 feet long. Probably 10. and it's on its furring strips so that it can be drying. This might become wall wood and it might not. We'll just wait and see. Okay, so there's some electric and storage. And basically, there's our party streamer. It's summer now. Basically, lots of electric all the way back. More summer streamers, because 'tis the season to party. Hope this isn't too close to me, but we like a lot of outlets, and we like it to be easy to use. And I'm really happy that we're putting it all in the conduit. We have friends whose house burnt down because mice or squirrels got into our attic, and I don't want that problem. So I was excited when he did this, and I think it just looks kind of tasteful without you know, like you can't really hide it in the beams. So I'm glad for it. I think it looks good. But that's all I have for you today. We'll talk to you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was of some kind of interest to you. And then you can see where we're at, what we're doing, and what we need to get done next, which is exciting. It's not been too overwhelming. I don't think there's anything else, but that's where we're at. And I'm hoping that we can move in this month. Not quite looking promising, but we'll see.